Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are going to use GoHighLevel, then you may as well make an income from it. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 features that customers will pay you for. So, before we get started, use the link in the description down below so you can actually have a GoHighLevel account and start making that passive income. Let's dive in. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to help you discover the top 5 features that businesses will actually pay you for in 2026. So let's start off right at the top. So feature number 1 is the unified CRM dashboard. Now this unified dashboard centralizes customer intelligence, and it's become a non-negotiable for competitive businesses. The unified CRM dashboard actually consolidates all of your customer and lead data into one intuitive interface, and it provides real-time pipeline tracking, seamless task management, and also enhanced team collaboration. So you get a full 360-degree customer view. This includes complete visibility into every single customer journey, which eliminates blind spots and missed opportunities. And trying to create opportunities and then missing them kind of seems pointless and a waste of time. You also get single source of truth, which eliminates tool sprawl by replacing multiple platforms with one single system. Also, the real-time data visualization empowers faster, smarter business decisions. The next feature that we have here is the AI employee virtual assistant. Yes, you can employ somebody and you can have them work for your customer. It's a 24/7 intelligent automation. So this AI employee transforms customer interactions by automating lead qualification. It handles customer queries. It manages appointment scheduling, and it uses advanced neural language processing, delivers human-like conversation that really feels authentic as well as personalized. And this really is a breakthrough in technology. It's dramatically cutting operational costs by reducing the need for additional staff while still ensuring zero customer inquiries slips through the cracks. And the result, well, high satisfaction scores and improved conversion rates. Number 3, we have the automated voice calls, right? So first of all, voice still remains one of the most powerful channels for building customer relations. So if you are looking to deliver personalized campaigns for your lead engagement, appointment confirmations, follow-ups, it's all triggered by specific customer actions. So you get an AI-driven voice message, which is tailored to each prospect's journey as well as their interests. It has automated follow-ups based on customer behavior, and it eliminates the manual call scheduling. You also get detailed call metrics and insights to continuously optimize campaign effectiveness. And of course, it's a personal touch that boosts response rates and strengthens customer relationships. All right, we're having a look at feature number 4, second from last. And the all-in-one sales funnel is fantastic. Now, why is it fantastic? Well, first of all, it's easy to use. It's a drag-and-drop sales funnel builder, which empowers businesses, which would be you, to create, customize, and optimize complete sales funnels without any coding knowledge. And each funnel is designed to guide prospects smoothly through the buying journey, maximizing conversion at every single stage. It's a no-code builder. It seamlessly integrates perfectly with any CRM and marketing automations for end-to-end management. And it converts more leads efficiently, and it scales your business with data-driven optimization. It's a no-brainer. All right, we're coming in for the last feature now, and the reputation management and multi-channel conversations is amazing. What do I mean? Well, modern customers expect seamless communication across every channel. Basically, this feature centralizes SMS, email, phone calls, and all the social media messaging into one unified inbox. It ensures that no message gets lost and every customer feels heard. And this is an important element, because at the end of the day, if you're not looking after your customer, or if your customer just feels like another number, then there's no value in that connection that you're making and that relationship that you're trying to build. So you can manage literally all of your customers' conversations in one little space. You can automate your review requests, collection, and responses to maintain a stellar online reputation that attracts new customers. And also, they have pre-built templates and multi-number SMS supports, which enables faster, more personalized communication at scale. And lastly, you can build consistent, timely engagement, which is across all of your channels. It strengthens your relationships with your customers and improves the customer retention rates dramatically. Now, don't be mistaken, these are 5 of the most sellable features of GoHighLevel, but because they have so many, there's so many opportunities to create passive income, as well as create something that you can build on for more of a long-term journey rather than just small or short-term for yourself. GoHighLevel gives you the opportunity to offer this software as a service, and it also allows you to white label the software, which basically means that you can take this software and you can make it look like your own. You can make it look like whatever it is that you want to make it look like, and you can brand it with your own branding, and you can sell this branding to whomever is in need of a service. You can also custom build platforms or websites or automations. You can build sub-accounts that you can sell on the GoHighLevel marketplace. So there's so many opportunities here, and this is just highlighting 5 of the features that people are willing to pay for, because not everyone knows how to operate this software. And if you put the time in to operate the software and get familiar with it, there's a real opportunity to do something amazing. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, GoHighLevel is absolutely out of this world. What I'm going to say again is, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you can actually use the link in the description down below to get started and create your journey of a passive income. Now, if this video was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.